Ready to race number 1. And the race is on. Silent Power from the outside, Win the Hour. Moving up by the right time way, Côte d'Azur, Vinegar, while entry number 1, Victory Cross, is running at the tail of the field. Time Away is now the leader, followed by Silent Power from the outside. Moving up by the right third is Côte d'Azur, the favorite. Vinegar is racing in fourth from the outside. Win the Hour is running in fifth by about 3 lengths, and a long way back to Victory Cross is bringing up the rear. Time Away by about 3 lengths, followed by Silent Power. Côte d'Azur is running by the rail, and as they race the last 500, Time Away by about 2 lengths, followed now by the favorite Côte d'Azur, Silent Power, Vinegar. As they race the final corner, Time Away by about 2 lengths, Côte d'Azur, Danori inside. Time Away, Côte d'Azur, Silent Power on the outside, Vinegar. But still Time Away, Côte d'Azur, Danori inside, fighting it out for the lead. Time Away, Côte d'Azur, Danori inside. Time Away, Côte d'Azur, and finally Time Away, Côte d'Azur. Number 6, Silent Power.